You're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Hey y'all, so these are the final nails. Y'all, they look so gorgeous. Are they not? They are gorgeous. Yes, they are gorgeous. I love them. The pink polka dot. Y'all, I love everything that screams maintenance. Like, I just love being a girl, a girly girl, like getting cute, getting ready for the day. Like, I love it. I love everything about it. We've already done nails. We may do hair. We're gonna do lashes. We're gonna get a wax. I think that might be it. I think that might be it for all the maintenance stuff that we need. It's only one key. I pack a room with stitch down. Hey y'all, so today is wax day. So my appointment is at 9 o'clock. It is now 8:52. We just waiting on them to open. Give us the green light to go in. Hey y'all, so while I'm getting my hair together, I figured we could just chat because I know I was pretty quiet while I was actually doing it. Sometimes when I'm filming, I get so focused on making sure everything looks right that I completely forget to talk. I always say doing my hair is kind of therapeutic for me. It's one of those things that where I could put on a good playlist, watch YouTube in the background, or just enjoy the quiet. It's honestly become a form of self-care. I know some people hate doing their hair, but once I stopped rushing through it and started looking at it as me time, I actually began enjoying the process. Speaking of self care, I feel like maintenance days are so underrated. People always see the final look on Instagram or TikTok, but they don't see everything that goes into feeling put together. It's the hair appointments, the skincare, the lashes, the brows, the nails, the little things that make such a difference. None of it is mandatory, but when I take the time to do those things for myself, I genuinely feel more confident. I've also been trying to remind myself that maintenance doesn't have to be expensive all the time. Sometimes it's simply washing my hair, moisturizing your skin, cleaning your makeup brushes, or organizing your beauty products. Those little habits make a huge difference. One thing I've been working on lately is creating routine instead of waiting until everything feels overwhelming. I used to wait until my hair desperately needed to be done or my room was a mess before I handled it. Now, I also wanted to thank you guys for everyone who's been watching my videos lately. If you've been here for a while, and you know I've been creating beauty content for years, and I really appreciate everyone who's still supporting me. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. I feel like this time around with YouTube is different for me. Before, I felt like I was always trying to chase what everyone else was doing or wondering what would get the most views. Now I really just create content that I actually enjoy watching myself. I want I want my channel to feel cozy, relatable, and like you're spending the day with a friend. I've realized that consistency is much more important than perfection. There were so many videos I never uploaded because I thought they weren't good enough. Looking back, I probably missed out on so many opportunities because I was overthinking everything. Now I'd rather post, learn, improve, and keep moving than wait until everything is perfect. I know a lot of people can relate to that. Whether it's starting a business, creating content, going back to school, or even trying a new hobby, sometimes we spend so much time planning that we never actually start. If that's you, let this be your reminder that done is better than perfect. One of my goals this year is to be a lot more intentional with everything I do. I don't I don't just want to be busy, I want to be productive. There's definitely a difference. I want to spend my time creating content that actually helps people, building my brand and working towards the bigger goals I've set for myself. I'm also I'm also trying to get better about balancing everything between work, filming, editing, running errands, appointments, and trying to have a social life. It can get overwhelming sometimes. I know I'm not the only one that feels like there aren't enough hours in a day. Something that's been helping me is planning in my week instead of just planning one day at a time. When I can see everything laid out, I don't feel stressed because I already know what needs to get done. Of course, things don't always go according to plan, but having some type of structure definitely helps. I also wanted to know what kind of videos you all want to see from me. I have so many ideas, but I love hearing what you actually enjoy watching. Do you like maintenance vlogs like this? More fashion hauls, beauty content, day in the life vlogs, shopping trips, product reviews? Let me know because I really want to build this channel with you all. Another thing that I've been learning is comparison really will steal your joy if you let it. Social media makes it so easy to compare your journey to someone else's highlighted reel. I have to remind myself all the time that everyone starts somewhere. Success doesn't happen overnight, and everyone's timeline is different. Instead of comparing myself, I've been trying to focus on improving little by little. If each video gets a little better than the last video, then I'm moving in the right direction. That's really all I can ask for. And can we talk about how satisfying it is when your hair finally starts coming together? There's always that awkward stage where you're wondering if you've made a mistake, and then suddenly everything just works out. I feel that's such a good life lesson too. Sometimes if you're in the middle of something and it looks messy, and if you keep going, it all comes together in the end. By the way, if you've made it this far in the video, comment your favorite self-care activity down below. Mine would probably have to be skincare or doing my hair. It's just something about taking the time for yourself that feels so refreshing. I'm also curious, are you someone who loves getting ready, or do you prefer being comfortable and getting ready only when you have to? I honestly think I'm a mix of both. I love a cozy day at home, but also I love the feeling of getting dressed up, doing my hair, and feeling like the best version of myself. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. It honestly means more than you know. Every view, every like, every comment, and every person who subscribes really helps support this channel. And I'm excited for everything that's coming next. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love for you to join the family. I have so many beauty videos, maintenance vlogs, fashion content, and lifestyle videos coming, and I can't wait to share them with you. All right, I'm almost finished getting my hair together, so let's get into the rest of today's maintenance day. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and let's keep this day going.
So, as y'all can see, I got another hairdo. What y'all will find is, what y'all will notice is, yeah, I changed my hair. I changed my hair like I changed my penis. But I actually love this hairdo. Like, I think this is just as good as a jet black. Yeah. I don't have a jet black one right now, so... But I honestly, because I feel like I get really, really tired of the, I definitely feel like I get tired of the jet black all the time. Like, I'm not going to say it's boring, because this Betty shot a clock. Definitely. It's giving all that. But I just want some color. And I feel like this is like the perfect amount of color. You nice definitely be eating the girls up.